vlog. Just finished this voltage regulator. This is now rated for a true 110 volt, and it won't overheat. Last year, if everybody was watching my ride videos, I had them blow up a couple of times and left me walking home. This one here blew a fuse twice, and it was super hot. It is rated for 110 volts, so it was too hot. So basically, I had to find a way to cool it. It was either strap heat sinks to it or put a fan in it. I ended up putting a server fan in it, and sorry about the crudeness of the cover there. I'll put something better on there. I just keep my fingers out of there from getting diced up. But it does work. A little loud, but at least you know you can hear it's working. Works actually pretty good. It's pulling air in. I don't know if that piece of paper here, I'll show you. And out the side. And it's all potted. The only thing that'll die if it gets super wet is the fan, but I'm not too worried about that, because I don't get caught in the rain very often. But that definitely keep it cool. Sweet. Later, guys.